guys, and this is the video part 2 for the Miami Boat Show. And yeah, this event here, it's really big. I mean, it's actually 3 locations, and just this one here, we've been here like almost 4 hours, and we just been walking around and taking a look at a few boats only. But I mean, this could take the whole day. But yeah, actually, this one caught my eye. This is a 32-foot Sundancer, new. It's a new style. It's pretty neat. It's the first Sea Ray that I see that comes with triple outboard. So it caught my eye because it was sporty looking, and it sleeps 6 people, and it's pretty roomy, and it's maybe something that I could afford in the future. And we took our time looking at it and touching everything. So I'm gonna show you guys a little more about this boat.
I want to check out the cabin, see how it is.
Check the cabin. I want to check my suntan.
So that's it? You're hanging out over here?
Oh, yeah.
This is your spot?
Oh, I love this spot. I love it. I love it. Oye, qué rico está esto aquí adelante.
No, I'm gonna look at the cabin. I like this. Let me see. Is the cabin open? People still in there. Okay. Driving party.
So that we looked at or whatever?
Up older. Wow. I'm afraid of slipping with without shoes. Whoa, you gotta see this. Okay, this turns to a bed. I guess this is the bathroom. No, you gotta see this. Look down there for the kids.
Wow, this is perfect. Pablo.
See that?
Oh, 350, because aquí se pone una cosita.
Yeah, you put a mattress in the center there.
Wow, this one we can afford?
Yeah, I think so. The only thing it doesn't have is the pool.
Listen, please do not sit, and I'm sitting on it. I'm sorry, I didn't read this one.
She doesn't know how to read. Yeah, but it's pretty cool though.
Sorry.
This becomes the big bed.
Think it would be big enough?
Yeah.
For me, I'll fit anywhere, but for you? Let me see the bathroom.
You fit in there?
Ooh. Ooh, me, yeah. For me, everything is perfect.
Take a shower right quick.
Y esto para no mojar el toile.
Yeah.
No?
No, that's
Wow,
nice. I wonder when did they started making this model. This is cool. It is.
Didn't they have the one inside? Didn't they have like a little kitchen or something?
Yeah, because this is different. This is a different one. But this is pretty cool.
Actually, I love the front though.
It's like a mini yacht thing.
To lay down like that.
Okay, this is a nice dream that maybe in the future I might get lucky and find a used one and buy it. But let's keep dreaming.
I want to go over there. You'll find it.
Okay, and this is something I always been curious. I see a lot of these catamarans around here in the Miami area, and they seem to ride pretty stable. So I always wonder how they looked inside.
Wow. Oh, you know what I like about it? Everything is fiberglass. It's easy to clean.
Have a holes and just pull it down.
Little area here. So this is a cruising thing. Oh.
Knowledgeable about a lot of stuff. Not your first rodeo.
Wow, look at this.
Full size refrigerator.
You see that?
No, for all the food. Pero para nosotros lo vimos al otro.
Oh, this is the bathroom. Look how big the bathroom is. The bathroom is big. Look at, oh, the shower's over there. That's cool. Yeah. So people can actually use the bathroom and don't worry about the shower. Oh, you fit there perfect. Let's check out the outside. I like this area here. Oh my God, look.
That would give me
Wait. One, another room. Oh, it's a full-size fridge.
not poor.
But look at this one.
I have rental houses and I have the fact that
You see that? It's a whole full-size bed. What is the toilet here?
No, but you can put. I guess you can put a little one here.
See on this side. Oh, it's a giant bathroom here. Oh, it has two bathrooms. So here's the other room. So it has
Washing machine on the other side.
it has 3 bedrooms. This is super nice. I like this.
¿Qué es esto?
Storage. See, I like this. You arrive up here.
Open sea.
Okay, look at the front. You want to lay out? Look at the front. You want to lay out? You see how big the front is?
How do you go
Mira.
there anyway?
Look at this. And you see this? This doesn't move. Right? This does not move. You see? Doesn't move.
Well, and like you saw, the interior is beautiful. It's a 3-stage room, and according to the guy, it does a 900-mile range because it has diesel motors at 15 knots. So that's pretty cool if you want to relax and enjoy the ride. And if you guys remember from our previous boat show video, yeah, this is another Deep Impact that we're gonna go ahead and take a look at. I mean, I like these boats; they're pretty nice. They ride really good. They have step hulls, and but this one's just open fisherman. The ones before we looked at, there was a center console with a cabin.
Yeah, take off your shoes. Yeah, you gotta take off your shoes again. Oh, you have 2 spots? Yeah. Oh, okay. I should have bought one when you went to the Texas. In the beginning, you guys are on the Baloca now, right? Aren't you guys on the Baloca? The factory? Yeah. Right around Concept? Yeah, you were on the Concept. Oh, no. You guys are... You guys make this? Oh, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I was in the yellow, blue, and orange at the Auto Boat Show. That had like all the random colors. Yeah, that was nice. Can I go to the No, yeah, it's right there. Oh, this is a little different. Oh, okay, yeah, this is a little different. So what size is that yellow one? The one with all the colors, orange or whatever it was. Because the cabin was way different. Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys don't mind if I stop one day and just see how you guys throw the mole and all that, shoot the mole?
I want to try to hook you up with my son.
Oh, okay.
Because he's got, I don't know how many, on his Twitch channel.
Oh, okay.
He's got 1,000 subscribers. He just hit over 1 million viewers. And every day, he streams all day. He's got about 800 to 1,000 people watching.
Oh, that's cool.
So just trying to hook up everybody.
So well, we're gonna get the battle.
Well, like you can see, there's a lot of boats here, and if you're a boat lover, this is really heaven for you. And it's pretty nice. I mean, we didn't get to see every boat, but at least we get to see a lot of the sporty ones here.
It's nice though, but it looks weird.
Well, it's time to see the big boys. Sigurd.
Hey, Skip. You remember me? Sure.
Well, if you have yourself enough money to get a cigarette AMG, might as well get a Mercedes AMG sports car to match it.
It's a good day to be at the beach. Well, we did it though.
Hopefully the whole weekend will be like this because we are planning on going on the boat.
Oh yeah,
Sunday?
on Sunday we'll be on the boat.
So let's just hope we can have get a nice tan.
Yeah, now it's time to find the traffic and go back. And if you're coming down here, get ready to deal with this. Because here, the parking is not that convenient.
Live transmission.
Oh no, the internet is bad here. So we gotta take the shuttle bus back. Oh, it's empty. That's good.
Mira, Fresco TV. ¿Cómo está mi socio?
¿Cómo anda? Okay guys, we just left the Miami Boat Show. Yes, it was a madness. a madness, but it was good though. There was a lot of displays, but we had to park like it wasn't that bad, yeah. Thanks to the shuttle bus, because if I had to walk all that, I'll be struggling on the floor. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of all the cars here. See if you guys can see it.